Hey guys, many people they don't know what is the CarPlay. So CarPlay actually you can use USB or Bluetooth. So I will show quite many video use this USB. So now I would like to show you how to do for the Bluetooth. Okay. So first, again, you need to connect to the Bluetooth as usual. Okay. So now you can see already connected. Okay, connected. So let me show you the Bluetooth. Yeah, so you can see Honda HFT connected. Okay, and then based on the description there, press long. Okay. See, if your car support wireless CarPlay, press and hold the voice control button on the steering wheel to start CarPlay setup. Okay, this one is the logo you can see here. CarPlay bawah. Okay, this is all the setting here. Okay, so for this car you need to connect USB cable connectivity. So right now I show you the logo how you use. Okay, it's for Siri. Yeah, so you see Siri activate. So for Honda City you need to connect via cable. Okay, so I think no choice. Honda City you need to connect cable, cannot use wireless for CarPlay. And then the button is for Siri, meaning voice recognition. Okay.